All right, so the most important data set, as I said, the Pascal VOC data set we have, there are certain set of object categories. I think around 20 categories we have in this data set. And let's try to understand the distinction between semantic segmentation, object detection, and you can say like maybe instance segmentation, which is the topic like which you're going to cover in the next lecture. So given this image, if you have to solve object classification, and let's say you have object categories as chair and table. So object recognition will just say that, okay, chairs are present and table is present, right? Then object detection will also tell you, okay, this is a chair, this is a chair. So it will just mark bounding boxes for all the objects, all the chairs you have, and also the bounding box for this table. Now, semantic segmentation is, again, it's going to give you information about what exactly each pixel is. For example, if red color is for chairs and orange color is for tables, so you will expect like output like this, image shown on the right here. Okay, so all these pixels which are orange, they correspond to this, this table over here. And all these pixels which are red, they correspond to chair. Okay, and black pixels are just background pixels, we ignore those. Now, how this semantic segmentation is different from instance segmentation. In this case, we are saying that, let's say this pixel is chair and this pixel is chair, right? But we don't care about whether we have multiple chairs. For example, in this scene, if we have 4 different chairs, semantic segmentation, it has no role in saying that, okay, there are 4 different chairs, and it won't differentiate between pixel of, let's say, this chair and pixel of this chair. In contrast, if you have to do instance segmentation, then the term instance, it says that you are also interested in different instances. For example, in this case, you have 4 different instances for chair, right? You have 4 different chairs. So you would like to ID these chairs. Let's say this is blue chair, green chair, or brown and green chair, right? So that's just color, but you can use some other IDs as well. Now, in this case, we have to know that, okay, this pixel belongs to the first chair, and this pixel is actually chair, but it belongs to the second chair. Okay, so you also need to separate different instances. So that's the distinction between these two problems, semantic segmentation and instance segmentation.